Here is a look at the Quilt Pattern Trio Stencil Set. This 3-piece 6 by 9-inch stencil set coordinates with both the Slimline and the A2 quilt cover dies, but can be used alone for easy and quick backgrounds. The designs include hearts, stars, and polka dots. When used with our quilt cover dies, use the etched outline for your A2 or Slimline card for perfect alignment. Our quality stencils are laser cut on a semi-translucent mylar material. Here's a look at some of the design team samples. You can see here those stitched lines are from the cover plate die, and there's a space in between for you to add some kind of a stenciled circle, star, or heart. It can be used as a background or anything on your project. This is the Quilt Pattern Trio Stencil Set.